So anytime dancehall artists are do bad, people always say the vloggers them are the first to talk about it. The vloggers them are the first to run out and throw them under the bus and take that same bus there and drive over them. Well, them are do good now. And a back to school time now. And a number of artists are put on back to school treat. And that we are going to talk about right now.
The role of a single mother, it not easy pan a one open door records. Single mother like myself, yeah, who fight for give baby love and shelter. Have a child for your man, you go through hellfire. Left with your mother as your only helper.
So Pamputtae know what it is like to be a single mother, because Pamputtae is a single mother herself. You see me? And that's why she decided to start the Single Mother Foundation. And you know, back to school time for single mothers, it rough because of them alone have to send them kids back to school. And that's why Pamputtae are put on the treat here. And who is best to talk about this treat but Pamputtae herself? So listen what I go on.
Hey! Don't forget! The youths are the future. It's all about Pamputtae Single Mother Foundation Limited presents the Back to School Treat on Funday the 29th of August. Place to be Freshers Land Community Square. More everybody roll out. All kids come out! Where my single mother them there? Single mother like myself, yeah, who fight for give your baby love and shelter. It start from 12 midday to 8 p.m. Make it a date and don't be late.
So, me respect that. Me really respect that with Pamputtae. You see me? And people, may I tell you, honestly, in the comment section, more want to tell me if no other treat are go on where you don't see on this list. You see me? Just comment it in the comment section. And if you can donate to them treat here, you see me, you know where to find the people on Instagram. Or if you don't know, me I gonna make sure leave a link to each of them Instagram profile, so you can go over there if you don't want to donate, if you don't have a few books, a few pencils, something or you want give back, because giving back is good, you know what I mean. So next on the list we have Jahmiel himself, the great man. He's being a great man right now, and I put on the treat here. So his treat will be held at Jewsland Ball Field, you know, that are in the Kingston 20 era. 20? Yeah, 20 or 19, one of them. Comment in the comment section if I'm wrong still. So, are the Patriots back to school? So, you can go and go support that one there. Oh, it's a go on today actually. Sunday, August the 25th. So, it's a good look right there. So, and neighboring in a Valley, we have Konshens have put on one as well. And see the odds feet here.
Oh, man. Nobody trouble me. Don't trouble me, yeah? Heard that circle. Well, from a little bit, I been a hustler. All scraper, all paper chaser. Long come again.
Shut up. Shut up. Chat too much. Oh, God bless. No man curse.
See the one more year on the boat, goddamn. Them not gonna live to see we broke again. We get the wings them, so we not stuck again. Just the bad mind out and look again. Now some hard work we put in.
So people, that are three artists and three treats. It's a good look. It's a good look for see the dancehall artists them actually a give back. Cause you know say the children are the future. And without the children, there's no future. So people, next treat we are gonna look on is Popcaan. And Popcaan things set different still enough, cause you know say Popcaan free that the why them him nah get no why now. So Popcaan not even name him treat back to school treat. Him name it after school treat. So Popcaan treat will be held on Thursday, August the 22nd at Rudolph Elder Park, and that's in Morant Bay, St. Thomas. First 500 kids get a bag of back to school supplies, and that's courtesy of the Popcaan Care Foundation.
Me love me farmer, them do me heart. Do the dear one of them. Real killy dead to the end, dead from me start. Real better them.
Hey guys, I'm so tired. I just came back from St. Martin, but in the same breath, I'm so excited because God has blessed me so much and it feels so good to be blessing others. So I'm getting ready to send some kids back to school for my Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. So here is my little girl corner. We're kind of organizing, putting stuff together, stocking these bags. We're filling them up with books, glue, pencil case. Like, me a single mother already, so we know if we're going to the bag them. So this is my little girl's corner. Have some very cute bags. Putting stuff together. I'm not let you know don't know. I have the boy corner too. But yeah, we're just organizing stuff and putting stuff together for the kids. So this is for my Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. This is for the bigger kids. I know I love on a Jan Sport. So yes, we have Jan Sport. This is one of my favorite. The material is like a velvet material. But yeah, if you are capable and if you are able to sponsor kids in Jamaica for back to school, you can link up the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. I'll tag the page below. We're trying to get these kids off the streets. We're trying to get them in school. We're trying to make sure that no mother, no parent have no form of complaint to say that they don't have this and they didn't have that. So if you are capable, if you are able, we want to pay school fees. We want to buy the bags. We want to buy the shoes. We want to clear the book list. That's my aim, because my foundation, Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation, was built to enrich women through education and entrepreneurship. So this year, we're driving, we're tagging, we're making sure that these kids are going to go to school and they're going to stay in school. So if you're able to help, if you want to sponsor a child, shoot me an email. The date is August the 20th. Please don't come late. Come out 12 noon and 12 noon sharp, because I also leave that day. I'm going to England on that day. So come out early. Let's do this. It's all about the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. We are sending these kids back to school. I'm at home. I'm stocking these bags. But if you want to pay a school fee, if you want to sponsor a child, we have the gold package. We have the silver package. The list is tall. Just follow the information and let's make sure that this September, every child in Jamaica is in school.
So Spice kind of do her thing a little bit different. Spice show a bag of things where she have already. You see me? Just ready for distribute. Just a wait on August the 20th. But people, me can't believe what really go on. So apparently, some people with Spice know message Spice and I beg out the thing them. People, the thing them if it give away, them a call Spice and I say, yo, me want that one day. I'm not talk people where can't necessarily afford it. You see me? Me I talk girls where buy $100,000 Brazilian. Alright, don't take it from me. Listen what Spice have to say.
Okay, so I'm just making this little snap real quick for the people in the back. Okay? Let me just say this loud and clear. And not even the people in the back, may I say to my friend them where call me and I say, oh, I want that bag. I'm going to want that bag there for my daughter. I'm going to want that bag there for my son. When me and you know you can afford to buy the bag. I'm going to lose a lot of friends this Tuesday for my back to school giveaways, because to be honest, if you can afford to buy the bag, leave it for the people who can't. Okay? Me and you know, say if you can buy Brazilian ear, if you can do certain little things, you know Brazilian ear costly. And if you can take up 100,000 and buy Brazilian ear and fix up and go on with yourself, you can afford to buy a bag for school. Okay? So leave it for the people who can't afford it. Let my back to school go to people who really, really need it. And I mean it.
And me agree with Spice 100%. You can't imagine if Spice did lift up them people here if they run the treat, yeah? Them would take everything for themselves and them pitney when them can't afford the things them already, because them thing here are for the less fortunate. Me never necessarily want to say less fortunate, but make we say for the single parents and the people them wait, you see me? And you want to take out the people them things for yourself. You buy $100,000 Brazilian, but yet still you can't buy a $2,000 school bag for yourself. Shame on you. Shame on you. Me say, me just love how the dancehall artists them, I do them thing. I play them little part. I give back to society. You see me? Even though more artists should have really chip in and keep a treat, You see me? More artists should have really do that. But the few we keep a treat, yo, me respect Me take off my hat and give it to You see me? You can imagine if some of the politicians, them do stuff like this. You see me? Whether out on own pocket, cause uno done get some big bucks already. Or if uno want use uno influence and power to get some sponsorship, because yeah, uno have them big link there. Anytime a politics time, uno get sponsorship from all both and drive on a party. You can imagine we have 63 constituency. You can imagine if all of them constituency there, all of them MP there, decide say them a keep a treat for them area. You see me? All of the little less fortunate kids them, you see me? All of the single mother them can forward road and send back the kids them to back to school. Jamaica would have nice. More kids would have dead in a school. And that's what the aim, you know, to eradicate poverty and the whole of them thing there. I forget the kids them in school. You see me? That are just my thoughts still. I guess and everybody think like me. So more wanna tell me in the comment section what you think about the whole tree thing. You see me? And what can you do to assist in sending back a child to school? Tell me in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, I really want to share that video, you know, because I see content like these, them not necessarily always get a lot of views, but me still decide to do them either way, because you never know who I watch and really did want to help and don't know say Pamputtae I keep a treat round this, so never know say Konshens I keep a treat over this, so you see me? Never know say Spice did I keep a treat, never know say Poppy did I keep a treat up a center mass, and all of them people yeah, never know say them did I keep a treat. You see it? So it's your boy DJ Chaddy. But before I go, I really want you to check out that video here. Yeah man, it's a parody done by me, and you can check it out. I left the link in the description.